Yo, what's up, guys? How's it going? Nick here with Raw Day Trading, and I got another log today to post up. So here it is. This is today, August 27th. I have officially made 98 whole dollars day trading, and let's get into it. Yeah, nothing much going on today. The what's his name? Someone said I was watching somebody's YouTube. They said it was the slowest week of the year, and I can attest to that. So, anyways, we had these two stocks, ADXN here, that was pushing highs and then kind of drifting lower, pushing highs in the pre and then drifting lower right into the open within the last 15 minutes. And my eyes were on that for a pop higher. I did get a good trade on it. Wait, I take that back. I got I got a trade on it, but I mistimed it. Vox was moving out of the open. I did not want to trade this one over here. I did want to trade ADX in. I was focused on it. I was zoned in, looking for that twitch reaction on the level 2 for the signs that I wanted to see. And Vox, I don't even think it had. Yeah, the news wasn't meaningful. I got a little bit of a trade right there. I probably cut it too soon. It ends up going way higher. This is an example there. Uh, where would I have got back in? Right there. I stopped trading it. That was one of the problems. I should have traded it up to 13. I did not. I traded one good time down at the lows, and then there was this kind of funky fill action there where I didn't recognize it till it was too late. It filled me 756 shares at 95, but it lagged, and by the time that I was cutting, I sold. I hit my Control Z key, which is like cancel all orders by or cancel all orders and flatten position. And so I flattened my position, but then there were still orders getting filled, and so I had 200 and change shares filled right there at 98, and it ends up dumping down to the 60s. So I ended up taking an L on that little portion because I didn't realize then. I was kind of looking at the chart, looking at the level 2, and that was that. And that's all she wrote on that stock. I was very annoyed with that. I wasn't sure what was going on, but I was green, and so I kind of just let it go. So that's that. Then this VOXX was the stupidest moving name. And when I say that, I really just mean I didn't know how to trade it. I did not know what I was doing on it. It got me almost every time I hit the buy button. Um, it just was not I mean, I was down $300 on it, and then let's see exactly where I kind of get down. I think that's going to be an important thing. All right. So at this point, I'm looking. I'm looking for an entry. Let me read. Let's start zoning in here. VOXX. All right. So it keeps pushing highs. I miss the lows. And I'm not sure what to trade at the moment, but this does look like it's going to 50. And it's kind of jumping around in a way that it's just hard to get in and get out of these because like they're going to give you contra signals until they go. So yeah. So I'm waiting and being patient. Then I see ADX in and out of the corner of my eye. It's going. You can see that on the screen. Skip ahead a little. Oh wait, what was that? Okay. Okay, so I try to buy. Oh, I try basically the same pattern as these two candles here, where it dips low and then gets bought up, dips low, gets bought up. But it's the third time it's doing it. It's less likely it's going to follow through. It's too predictable, and that was my mistake. So I buy it here. I get filled low. By the time I realize I get filled low, I'm low already. Hopefully I cut right here. And then I cut for a nice 170 loss, 145. All right. And then what else? It's not quite dying. It's just shaking people out. I think I try one more time in the same level, which is a dumb mistake to do. Literally, like within a cent of where I was before. And I sell it, it immediately spikes higher, and then I buy back higher. That's not. This is not the way. This is not the way. And then I take another 4-cent loss there. I think I decide to leave it alone for a minute. Okay, and then when it starts to go up here, when the pattern actually starts to form, I botch it. So buy here, great position, great position. Oh, that was actually decent. Okay. Could have waited a little bit longer. Could have waited for the resolution there. Then we see bids flashing, which is hit or miss. I don't quite know what to think of those, especially on a stock like this where it blows through it, but it's still holding. So that's actually a sign. Holding. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm just watching this action. Just really kind of getting familiar with it, like realizing where the mistakes that I made and trying to zone in for the future. So that one, that trade, that was a scared trade. That was scared shitless. I was late on it. I tried to cut it. I wanted it down. I wanted it here basically when it was not there. But when it dipped into the 30s on the ask, I wanted it. So test high here. dips into the 30s right here, right here. I wanted it there. I wait a little bit too late, and it starts creeping through 50s, and I'm like, wow, this is getting high. I feel like it's dangerous. I'm not sure what to do. So and then there was Trib. Trib, the savior of the day. I wonder where else I botched Fox. Anyways. I ignore Vox because I don't like how it's grindy action. Get back in here. So I keep taking the dip underneath the 50. Oh, it's just like a creep low, that's why. Ugh, so I take a $3 loss there, or a 3-cent loss there. Take it as it looks like it's going to break above 50, which is not a good move to take, especially with this type of stock. And then I take it in the same place. It's disgusting. Just disgusting trading. And I'm holding, 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 holding. Down 400 at this point. Disgusting. No, pretty gross trading. Good thing I had TRIB Tribble going earlier. This ended up being a decent trader, pretty predictable. Most of the trades are actually off screen, but I think I get a few in here. Okay, let's see here what we got. This is a little sketchy. It's at the highs, but got a little dip in, gotta cut it. Buy right back. Oh, I was up 200. I didn't even realize it. Did not even realize it. Actually, at the highs today, I was up 240. Would have been nice to keep that. But, anyways, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't know. To be honest, I'm probably just pretty lazy right now, mentally. Mentally just on vacation because it is a slow week. I was going to go out of town. That might be another problem. I don't want to be disengaged like that. But I'm still trying. Still focus on the few opportunities there are. I will be going out of town for the weekend, but that's it. I don't know. I ended up making like 350 with this between there, and then making me basically break even on the day at $100, whatever. I'm just gonna leave it there. There's nothing really meaningful besides the difficulty of trading Vox in this kind of downtrend. That's where I lost a lot of money. Let's see where. Okay. Points where I went down on Vox are right. Yeah, this initial come off of 5 was pretty bad. Yeah, right there. One point I was down almost $500 on it. Heck. All right. So is this one. Yeah. No buenos. All right. I'm done. Peace out.